Hi, my name is Joel Matthew. You are 15 CS177, and today I am going to be explaining my 10th experiment from Database Systems Lab. And my experiment is to create a web application and database connectivity. And for that, I am using PHP. So in this is the code, a PHP code which I am going to. So it's going to be a form kind of. Form which is going to be connected to a library database. So the form is going to collect the details of the member, a new member, and it's going to add that member into the library database. So here I have the code for that. So this is the styling, and this is all the stylings. And in PHP we have this. In PHP we have this is the HTML code which I have. So in form I have created, in the form of table I have created some values to take in. So it will take the name, age, gender, registration number and member number of the user, and this is a submit button. So when we click this submit button, it will go into the next PHP page. So in this PHP we have to enter we have to create the connectivity between the database and the application. So for that we are going to take the host. So we have the local host, and then I'm going to set the username, password, and the database name I have given as library /Joel. So and then we are going to connect using in a variable. Using this variable we are going to be using mysqli /connect function, and then we are going to enter the host, username, password and database. And then we are just going to select that in the database we are going to select the table as well. And then the values which we entered in the index.php are going to be returned into the index.php using post method. So the name, age, gender and registration number, member number are all entered, and we are going to give this to a session variable as well. And this query is going to so we are going to execute some queries. So whatever these values which we get, we are going to just insert it into the library database using insert command. And we are just going to show that the operation is successful. So these are some of the snapshots of my web page. So this is the front page in which we are going to take the details of the user. So name, age, gender, registration, etc. And then when we press submit, it goes to the next page, which will show that the member is welcome and that you have been entered into the database. And this is I have connected it using XAMPP application. So just by using PHP my application, so we are going to just I have already created a table structure. So all these values are already they'll, as we keep entering the values, those values are just entered into the database simultaneously. Thank you for listening to me.